in the hotel.
Yeah.
Big Daddy's gonna give a shout out.
What's going down? This your boy Big Daddy Bear, you know what I'm saying? One Nation, Boosie Collins. I'm saying with your boy, you know what I'm saying? Bless me real hard. Got me looking real nice. We gonna definitely rep this in the US, man. Holla at your boy, man. One.
That's it. You got it.
Ramu, it's a pleasure to be here. We got a lot of work to do, so it's gonna be great. Linking up, yeah. I want to thank God for the opportunity.
Monster Mike, keeping it on the one. Got in Sao Paulo, Brazil. We will be back. I'm never leaving.
How you gonna be back?
No, when I come back, I'm not leaving.
Okay.
You already know.
That's what's up.
That's what's up.
So that's it.
Let's kick it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
You
do
still
it.
want to get up?
Y'all ready?
You wanna say something?
I made it up to the room.
I'm out here with the pussies rubber band.
That's about it, folks.